you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an unboxing, as you can see by the title. I was so ecstatic when I got these products. Like, hello, this brand is by someone that I watched growing up from a TV show, and it's by Tia from Sister. She launched her own hair care line, natural hair care line, and it could not have come at a better time when your girl went natural for the second time around. So I'm ecstatic. Let's jump right into the unboxing and talk a little bit more about the products. And you guys, you know I love to give an honest review and to try new products out, and this is going to be as authentic as it gets, transparency as it gets. So don't think that, hey, it's a PR package. No, we're gonna get into it. So I'm so ecstatic. What a huge PR package. I was like, hello, For You by Tia, hello. So I absolutely love the packaging. The words that are on here: healthy, strong, uniquely yours, the science-backed, nature-made. So as you can see, it's telling you about what she focuses on in the products. So let us open our package. So when we open the package, first thing we see here is your natural hair journey made simpler. And if I haven't been looking for anything, it's for a simple natural hair journey, because that's one reason why I went from process my hair, because I was like, this is too much. My hair is really thick and it's really too much to deal with. So I'm hoping this second time around I will embrace this journey all the way, even though it's gonna be a lot, I can tell. So this says Hemi 15, our star ingredient. So I'm gonna learn more about Hemi. As you can see, it's an unboxing and first impression, so I'm just learning about these products as well. I'm assuming Hemi means hemp, but I might be wrong, so let's get into it. So first I have, these are little pamphlets or flyers, if you may call them, with information about the products, I guess. So it has, of course, social media following on here. It tells you more about the products and what scientists they're working with, and again, and there's a little note here from Tia. So they're also kid friendly. That is super amazing. I am very elated to know that I can use it in my son here. Let's get into the first set of products. So first I have here and since I've shown them to you, let's talk about them one by one. So I have the multi-use hair oil, so this is the multi-use hair oil, and this prevents breakage and adds sheen. It has vitamin C and Hemi 15. So we have the curl refresher. We have the curl refresher mist that hydrates, revives, and it has rosemary and hemp, same ingredients. So this is a curl refresher, and if you're one that, you know, wear your curls for days, this is a great way to refresh them. Love that. Then this is the leave-in curl cream. So the leave-in curl cream. And the next one is the curl defining gel, and this one delivers definition and shine. I am so ecstatic to use these. So the set of products are the ones that you would use after you have washed the hair. So we have more. Next set of products will be the conditioners and shampoo, and the first one is the moisturizing conditioner that hydrates and nourishes. This has hibiscus and the Hemi 15 as the main ingredients, and we also have the moisturizing shampoo. This one gently cleanses and softens, and this one has watermelon and Hemi 15 main ingredients. I can bet they smell real good. I should smell them afterwards. And we all have the clarifying shampoo that deeply cleanses and removes buildups. This has apple cider vinegar and Hemi 15. I think I'm gonna enjoy this one because I use apple cider vinegar in my hair at times, so I'm looking forward to that. And this is a lightweight conditioner, gentle moisturizing, detangles, and this has sea moss and Hemi 15. You guys, I'm so excited to try these. Best believe I'm trying these with y'all. We're gonna use these together. These are 2 sets of shampooing, the shampoo and conditioner. And then we have the products that we use after shampooing and conditioning. I'm so excited about these, you guys. You gotta stick around for the review and demo of these products. If you know me, you know I'm gonna use these products for a while. You know I'm gonna test them out, see what they are, see how they work for me as it relates to my hair type. I like that it's not just, even though it's for natural hair, I like that even though it's for natural hair, it's definitely for all hair types when it comes to natural hair. As you can see, this one person has locks in different hair type here, different hair type. So you can see, and what I like is that anyone can use these products. Once you have natural hair, anyone can use these products. And I also want to believe that it's not, if you even do not have natural hair, they might work great for you. So, but I'm gonna definitely check them out and tell you more about them. I will be using them for a while before I do a full review and tell you how they've worked. I like to use my products, see how they work for me, and just to see overall if, you know, how they are, how the products work, and come back and share with you all. That is gonna be it for this video. If you have tried them so far, do share and tell what has been your experience. I will definitely leave more information in the description box. I am not sure if she only has them on her website and if they're yet available in any stores. I can see them in the future in Target. If they're not as yet, I'm calling it. I can see them in Target. So hello. Anyways, I'm ecstatic. I'm gonna try them out and I'll definitely come back in this space and share with you all. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Please do subscribe. And